Today in the livestock market, we pretty much had green across the board with the cattle a little bit higher. That stronger cash prices are bringing some market support in. August futures really has a decent discount to cash, giving some support to the market. It's moving to the high side of that $8 channel that we had been in since really June 1st, the 130 to 138. So we're moving up there. However, the commitment of traders did show some decent selling in those long positions. A pretty sizable percentage, bringing their longs down, and perhaps that's putting a lid on the market being able to rally even further, especially in the face of the corn decline, the corn pricing decline. So, that's something to watch for. But we did get a strong response. The CVAL did jump up 2.75% to 16.9%. So that is just kind of an indication that we have a little more volatility in that live cattle market. Now, the feeders were pretty much steady, a little mixed, actually trading on both sides of unchanged. The futures trade is consolidative, I think, staying solidly in the center of the range that we have been in since June 1st as well, and that's from 170 to 176. Feedlots seem to be a little bit more confident to continue to buy as they see better weather for corn, figuring that is going to keep those prices kind of under some pressure. So that should really hold feed prices in line to allow the markets to get a little more support. Hogs today did gap up. That higher cutouts that were up over $8 yesterday. I think that's bringing in better cash, and futures get back to prices that we haven't seen since early May, and actually at the very top of the channel that we have been in for quite a while, and it's almost looking to break out, but not just yet. Today's high was 109.95. The traders are expecting that the pork demand to be strong in the face of what's happening in inflation. Perhaps they're expecting that some coming over from the beef side. So that's just where a little bit of that strength of the idea of the strength of the market coming up. The CVAL is up just 0.5% to 28.7%, so hasn't really been kicking in yet on the CVAL side, but still inflation and demand against inflation is going to be the real focus in all the livestock as we go forward.